The Philips Easy Remote allows you to easily interact with your Android smart TV through voice search. In order to use this functionality, make sure that the Easy Remote has been paired with the TV first. You can use the touchpad area of the Easy Remote to navigate through the TV menus by swiping up, down, and sideways. To use the voice search feature in your language of choice, you can change the language settings by going to Settings, Region and Language, and then Menu Language. To initiate your search, press the voice search option on the Easy Remote. The blue LED light will be turned on and the microphone will be activated, so you can state your query with a clear pronunciation. You can speak for 10 seconds before the microphone switches off. You can also use the Easy Remote to control the TV volume by pressing the plus and minus options. To return to the previous menu or channel, press the back arrow, and to go to the home menu, simply press the home icon.